The first thing that I wanted to talk with you guys about is this idea of light. So when we look at white light, what we see is all the colors of the visible spectrum. It is all of them combined as one single, looking to us, one single color, which is white. Each of those waves have different wavelengths. Remember, we are going from peak to peak. So you can see that the red wavelength from peak to peak is way longer than the blue wavelength. So each wave has a different wavelength. When you're trying to figure out what the wavelength is, you can look at the table at the back of your reference manual that has the visible spectrum, and you can see down here what exactly that wavelength is. So blue has 400 nanometers all the way up to red, which is 700 nanometers wavelength. When we see a color, we are only seeing that wavelength, which we'll talk about in just a little bit more depth in a second.